Okay, how you guys doing there? Hopefully doing well. We're about ready to start section 4-3 here in Algebra. We're starting this section on Tuesday, January 12th. It's actually Sunday, the 9th or so that I'm taping this, but I'll post this Tuesday, January 12th, and section 4-3 will be due on Thursday the 14th, so they have 3 days to work on this. So it's got 20 questions on it. We'll work through 10 of them like usual, and you have to fill in the rest of them. And like usual, if you have questions, you can always email me, and you can ask for any help if you need help on any of this. So anyhow, hopefully in another week or so, we'll all be back in school, those of you that are not virtual, and be able to explain this a little bit easier rather than having to do this virtually. So that's what I'm hoping for, so keep your fingers crossed. Okay, so section 4.3 deals with parallel and perpendicular lines, okay? Parallel lines, in case you forgot, parallel means they're two lines that never touch. They run side by side. Sometimes they say they have to go straight up and down. They don't have to. They could go back and forth. They could go diagonally, okay? They're just two lines that never touch. Perpendicular lines, be careful. Some students say, well, those are lines that do touch. Well, not just touch, okay? They have to cross at 90-degree angles, okay? They have to be like perpendicular like this, okay? Just because they cross doesn't mean they cross at right angles. They have to cross at right angles in order to be perpendicular. So parallel never touch. They run side by side. Perpendicular cross at 90-degree angles. Parallel is the easier of the two, okay? And the first few problems deal with parallel, then the end of this section deals with perpendicular, okay? So really one thing that you need to know about parallel lines, okay? What you need to know is this, okay? Parallel lines, we know they never touch. They have the same slope. They have the same slope. If two lines have the same slope, they're parallel, they're never going to touch, okay? So that's big. You've got that's not real hard to remember, I don't think, but something you definitely need to memorize is that parallel lines have the same slope. Okay. So I'm going to actually grab my textbook so I don't have to keep on getting really close to the screen to get a second here, guys. I apologize. Okay. So we look at we're on section 4.3. Okay. 4.3. So we're starting on question number 3. And on question 3, they give us a picture of 3 lines. Okay, they give us 3 lines. And on each line, they give us lines, what, A, B, and C. Line A, line B, and line C. They give us a couple points, okay? Line A, they give us the point -3, 1. And they give us the point 0, 3. Line B, they give us the points 0, 0, and 3, 2. And C, they give us -2, -3, and was it 3, 4 or something? 3, 0, or 3, 0, yep. Okay, now when you look at them, okay, if you look at these, you might say, well, it looks like A and B are parallel, and it looks like maybe A or C are parallel. You can't, just because something looks parallel doesn't mean they are, okay? So they're actually going to calculate these. So what we need to do is, parallel lines have the same slope. So we need to find the slope for each of these lines. And remember, the way they find the slope is you take y minus y over x minus x. Our slope. So our y values are, I'm going to take 1 minus 3 over -3 minus 0. 1 minus 3 is -2, -3 minus 0 is -3, negative over negative is a positive. So the slope of the first line is 2/3. Okay? Let's find the slope of the second line. We take y minus y, 0 minus 2, over x minus x, 0 minus 3. 0 minus 2 is -2, 0 minus 3 is -3, negative over negative is a positive. Okay? And the third one, let's find the slope here. Y minus y, -3 minus 0, over -2 minus 3. -3 minus 0 is -3, -2 minus 3 more is -5, negative over negative is a positive 3/5. So these two are parallel because they have the same slope. And this one is not parallel to either one of them, okay? So A and B are parallel, okay? Because they have the same slope. So when you're clicking on those, A and B are parallel because they have the same slope. Okay, that's what you click on. Okay. Okay, number 5. Number 5, same thing. They just don't give you a picture. Okay? They don't give you a picture. So they give us, again, line A, B, and C. And on line A, they give us -1, -2, and 1, 0. 1, -2, and 1, 0. And they give us 4, 2, 2, -2. 4, 2, 2, -2. And 0, 2, and -1, 1. 0, 2, -1, 1. Okay? So we do the same thing here. We find the slope between each of these. negative 2 minus 0 over negative 1 minus 1 more. Negative 2 minus 0 is negative 2. Negative 1 minus 1 more is negative 2. Negative 2 over negative 2 is 1. And the same thing here. Y minus y, 2 minus negative 2 over 4 minus positive 2. 2 minus minus 2 is 2 plus plus 2, which is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 over 2 is 2. So right now we know these two are not parallel, okay, because they're in the same slope. Y minus y, 2 minus 1 over 0 minus negative 1. Watch all those negatives. 0 minus minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus minus. Minus minus is plus plus. So 1 over 1, which is 1. So in this case, these are the parallel lines. Line A and B are all, or A and C this time. A and C are parallel because they have the same slope. Okay? Let's look at number 7. This time, they don't give you points. They give us 3 different lines again, but they give us, it says line A, B, and C again. I'm going to write them like this. Okay? A is 4y plus x is 8. 4y plus x equals 8. Line B is 2y plus x is 4. 2y plus x equals 4. And 2y equals negative 3 plus 2y equals negative 3x plus 6, I think it says 2y is negative 3x plus 6. Okay, so we got to find the slope here. You want it to be in slope-intercept form, which means you want to have y by itself. So let's get y by itself. Let's subtract our x. So 4y equals negative x plus